Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Buerer Medical Upper Arm Blood Pressure Monitor. This is a digital blood pressure monitor. It carries all the components that you generally see in a blood pressure monitor, like the monitor and the pipe and the cuffs, as seen in this diagram over here. It has a couple of information on the box. It's clear, easy to read. Average value calculation, time and date, 2 user memories for 60 measured values each, which is not bad. With cuff for upper arm circumference from 22 to 36 centimeters. Basically, you will be able to test almost anyone with this particular measurement. Battery is included, thankfully, and it comes with a 5-year guarantee. It's clinically validated, reliable measurement recognized by German Hypertension Society, which is a big deal. What else is there? More or less the same, actually exactly the same information as the one over here. So we have some different information here, I think. Get 60 days. Oh, this is just custom. This is just manufacturer information, more manufacturer information. So let's just go ahead with the unboxing. This is what you'll find inside the box. We will take a look at each of them. This is the instruction manual for this particular blood pressure monitor. You must read it at least once. This being a medical equipment, you should read it at least once. Let's take a quick look at the cuff. And these are your 4 AAA batteries. Wait. Oh, these run on AAA batteries rather than AA battery. That's interesting. I'm going to leave them here for now. And these are the cuffs. These 2 to 3 centimeters out. There's a diagram here that's telling you how to use the cuff. I will show you how to use the cuff regardless. So as soon as I take this off, I will show you how to do that. This is the pipe that connects to the blood pressure monitor itself, but I will get to that in a minute as well. So this is the cuff. It cannot come out. This is 20 to 36 centimeters in diameter, which means it can fit almost anybody on the world. Let's leave this here and take a look at the blood pressure monitor itself. Okay, this is the blood pressure monitor. This has the systolic, diastolic markers over here and the pulse per minute rating over here. You'll get that. I will show it to you in a while. This is the memory button, so if you want to refer to the older ones, you can do that. Sleek form factor, and comes with the silver/gray color tone. So the batteries go in here. And let's actually do that. Let's put some of the batteries here and test it out. Okay, so the batteries are now in. I'm going to leave this one here. Immediately it starts. So we're going to stop and leave this here. Now to the cuffs. Instructions are written on how to use it, of course. So we will follow it to the T so that we don't mess around. Just have to insert up till here, my upper arm. Then tighten it like so, and this part is what goes. Attach it like this. So right now we are good to go. All I have to do now is press this button. So let's go ahead. And we're going. It's getting tighter. Coming down. That was really fast. If that was it, then it was really fast. That's it. That was really fast. It tells me I have a systolic of 111 and a diastolic of 63, which for me is pretty normal. And it basically works. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Beurer Medical Upper Arm Blood Pressure Monitor. Thank you for watching.